Hey foodies, so as promised, this is the Rasta pasta recipe video. This was like a freestyle because your girl has to go grocery shopping, but I am gonna add all the ingredients down below in the title. All right, so I like to make my own jerk marinade when I'm making anything jerk. It's very simple, but of course you can grab a jar of pre-made jerk marinade. And then of course you can use whatever pasta you want to use. So for the chicken, I like to save a few pieces whole and then of course cut up the other pieces into bite sizes. It's totally up to you, and of course you can use shrimp, salmon, whatever protein you prefer. And for everyone who's gonna come with the comments, I know jerk chicken has to be done on the grill, in the jerk pan, in the oven, whatever, but we're doing it stoked up. If you guys want to put it on the grill or anything like that, go ahead and do so. Then I went in with my bell peppers and onions. For the peppers, I'm using half of a red, green, and yellow. Let those sweat off a little bit, then we're gonna go in with our sauce. My sauce is normally thicker and way cheesier, but like I said guys, your girl has to go grocery shopping. But nonetheless, I'm gonna leave all the right ingredients down below in the title for you guys, and of course hit that follow button for more recipes.